It's John Hoey here with a little quick video update for you from the marketing people. I'm the SEO manager here. What we're going to be talking about today is Google My Business. Now, this is a free piece of software that Google offer, so anyone can set this up for any business around the world. What we're going to do today is we're just going to talk about one, what to do if you haven't got it set up, and two, what to do if you've already got it set up. Okay, so quickly, let's get into it. Okay, now just a quick overview. Based on this screen, as you can see, I've just typed in the marketing people. You're thinking, how do we get that box on the right hand side with its logo, the telephone number and the logo and everything like that? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. So if you go to google.com/business, make sure you're signed in first of all. What happens is you're greeted with this screen. Now, this is if you haven't had this set up before. We're going to go over optimizing it slightly afterwards once it's already set up. So it asks for your business name, type that in, click next. Then, do you add a location customers can visit, like a store or an office? Yes or no. So, is it a shop? Yes, no. What this allows you to do is allows Google for you to show up on Google Maps. Great. Yes, we do. Here's your address. Put the address in of your physical location. Perfect. And is this your business? What this does is this already clarifies that because I've already used marketing people on here, it's saying, is this your business? Yes or no. So I'm just going to put this doesn't match. So you may have a couple of conflicts in there as well. Do you serve customers outside this location? Yeah, we do. We're a marketing agency. We serve customers everywhere, UK and beyond, not just local as well. So I'm just put yes in. As you can see, I've already pre-populated this with Staffordshire and Birmingham. You can put as many of these in as you want. I would recommend, as you're a local, if you're servicing the local area, don't flood this with every city in the UK. Look at the ones locally. Like we've got Staffordshire, Birmingham, Tamworth, Sutton Coldfield, Cannock, those kind of things. So keep it quite niche in that aspect. Okay, business category. I'm just going to put in here marketing agency. So that's what we do. Make sure it's relevant to your area, because if it's not, Google won't populate you for the correct sections. Telephone numbers. Here you can just add your contact number, your website address, and if whether or not you don't need a website, because hopefully what you've done is seen this video and then given us a call and we've made one for you. So I'm just going to put I don't need a website address. Then it asks you to verify this. Now the next steps, once you click finish, Google will send you a little postcard in the post to your physical location. Now, what will then happen is that when you go back to google.com/business, you'll be asked to put the code that's on the postcard in. Then that will finish optimizing or setting you up. So then if you type in your company name, you'll have a very bog standard box, just like this one that we've seen here. But now, this is the next step. We're going to talk about how to populate this. So when you go to google.com/business, this page will load up. I'm just going to move this over slightly. You've got all this information down the left hand side. The only one I'm going to show you today, just for speed, is info. And what this does is it just populates. You've got your address in here, the service areas, so the areas that we've just put about. You can add your opening and closing hours, which is massive for some companies. Special hours, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, Easter Sunday, whatever you celebrate. If there's like a religious thing, a religious festival that you do, telephone number, email address, website, and then you can add just a little bit about the company so people understand, and when you opened as well, which is pretty massive. Then you've got businesses live on Google up here. It's live view and search, view on maps. So if we click on view on search, there we go. What happens then is it creates this box here on the left hand side, just about your search queries and everything in here. It populates the image on the right hand side as well. So you can add photos, you can add loads of stuff, add blog posts, add everything. So that's really what you can do. What we can also do as well, if you haven't got the time to do this, we offer this as one of our SEO packages. Just you know our details now. It's all there on screen. Give us a call, send us an email, or pop in. We've got a physical location. We're based in Burnwood, so come down for a cup of coffee, and and we'll have a chat about what we can do to help you. So that's it for today. Just a nice short video. If you've got any questions, just leave a comment below. Cheers.